Hi everyone, welcome again. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about what are the various differences between delete, truncate and drop commands. Okay, so basically all the three commands are used to perform some deletion on the table. Okay, so this is one similarity between these three is what these three are all these three are basically used to make some deletion, some kind of deletion in the table. Okay, so the deletion that we're going to perform may be of three types over here. Okay, if we want to delete some particular records, okay, for example only that students who belong to 11th class, okay, for example these two records, okay, or the students of only 12th class or the students of only 10th class, okay, that is we don't want to delete all the records, we want just some particular records, okay, according to our condition. So in that case we can perform a deletion. We can also perform deletion on the basis of if we want to delete all the records in the table, okay, but the table definition should remain. Okay, for example in this table we want to delete all the records, but the structure of the table should be remain in the data db. Okay, so we can also perform this kind of deletion. Third type of deletion is what if we want to delete all the tables including its definition. That is, if we want to delete the entire table, okay, including its definition and its structure also from the db, we just want to dismiss this entire table. So these are the three kind of deletions that we can perform. So these are the three possibilities, okay, on the basis of which we used to delete. If we want to delete some particular records, if we want to delete all the records, if we want to delete this entire table including its structure. So on the basis of three we can use these three commands over here. If you want to delete some particular records according to some condition, we use this delete command. Okay, this delete command. Okay, if we want to delete all the records from the table, but the table definition should be remain, that means the structure of the table should remain in the db, so we are going to use this truncate command. This truncate command. Okay, so this command is basically used if we want to delete all the records from the table. But yeah, if we want entire table to be deleted, okay, along with its definition, so that after finding this table we will not find again. Okay, so in that case we're going to use this drop command. So it's used to entirely drop the table. So this is a basic difference between these three commands over here. Delete is used whenever we want to delete on the basis of some condition, okay, and truncate is used when we want to delete all the records from the table, okay, and the drop is basically used when we delete the entire table, okay, including its definition, its name, everything. Okay, so now let's understand the syntaxes of these three over here. So very first is delete command. So this is for the syntax for a delete command over here. It's for delete from whatever the table name that we want to delete, where condition. Okay, so this is a where clause and the condition that we want. For example, we are going to delete the students whose class is 11, so we will write over here delete from student where class is equals to 11. Okay, so this is what the use of this delete command. Yeah, we can also delete all the records from the table using delete command also. Why? How? We will just write over here this statement. We need not write over here where condition. We will simply write over here delete from student. So it will delete all the records from this delete table. So with the help of delete command also, we can perform the functionality of truncate command also. Okay, so with the help of delete we can also perform the functionality of this truncate command. Okay, we can delete all the records, but yeah, with the help of delete we can also delete records on the basis of our perception or our condition. Okay, so this is what the use of this delete command. Now the next is what truncate command. As I told you, truncate is used to delete all the records from the table, but the table structure will remain in the db. Okay, so if we want to insert some new row, we can. Okay, so the syntax for this truncate command over here is what? Truncate table name. Okay, that is truncate table student. So it will delete all the records, whatever, how many records there are, 4 records, it will delete all the 4 records from this table. So this is what the use of this truncate command. And the last command over here is drop command. As I told you, drop command is basically used to entirely drop the entire table including its structure, its definition, it will drop. So if we are going to write over a drop table, table name, that is student, so it will drop the entire table from the db. Okay, so this is what the basic difference between these three commands over here, although these all commands are used to make some deletion in the table. Thank you for watching the video.